This girl needs a wash. My wig from UniWigs, so come with me and I'll show you how I wash her, dry her, and style her. For a couple of hours now. Usually when I wash my wigs, I let them air dry for 24 hours. Like, I don't use any heat on them, but I don't have time for that. I'm going out tonight, so I'm gonna blow dry her all the way dry. Is Delphine from UniWigs. It's a lace front wig, so you've got like the inside cap and you have adjustable straps here at the bottom, which is super helpful if you have like different size shape head. It will fit nice and snug, because people are always asking me like, is your wig gonna fall off? No, it's secure. Okay, it's not falling off, not when there's adjustable straps, which is so nice. I'm really obsessed with this wig because it's a ponytail wig, but also just like look at the lace. Like, you can't see it, it looks so good. So now what I'm gonna do is I usually style it with it on my head because I don't have like a little mannequin head. So I'm gonna put it on my head and then run the Revlon through it because it's a little frizzy after blow drying it. So I'm just gonna run the Revlon through it after I put this on. Everyone's always asking me how I curl my hair, so watch closely if you want to learn, okay? It's all about away from the face, the little twist, and get a curling iron with a clamp. You need a clamp, it's just so much better, okay? All right, so I'm gonna first do these first pieces. You grab from the front, get it a little hot, twist it around, hold it there for a second, keep twisting, okay? Twist, leave a little out at the end, swoop under, twist, swoop under, twist, swoop under, twist, twist, at the end, pull, okay? Looks weird right now, but I promise once you brush them out, you get this like wave. And then of course these front pieces need a little more love. So they have that little curl in the front. Okay, now I'm gonna do my whole head. Hopefully that was a little bit of a good tutorial.